welcome back. Today we're gonna do a 0 to 60 runs on the stock air filter of this M235i. Then later on we're gonna do another 3 more runs 0 to 60 again with the K&N air filter and the AFE air scoop. So we're gonna do another run after the installation. So this car is rated to go 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Because I cannot get any traction, so the best I can do out of the 3 runs is 5.6 with the stock air filter. So I did some 3 runs on the stock air filter, and I'm losing traction all the time. Cannot get any traction, so that's the best we can do on the 3 runs. And we're gonna install the K&N and the AFE air scoop, and we'll see. So here we're gonna do the unboxing of the K&N air filter. So this air filter is a high flow with cotton mesh and with oil to stop the dirt from going inside your engine. So here we have the AFE intake air scoop. This will channel all the air coming from the grill going to your air filter. If you want to check out the K&N air filter and the AFE air scoop, I'll put down the link on the description below if you want to check them out. Now for the installation. We have to unclip this metal clip on the 4 corners of the airbox. Then we have to take out that rubber grommet that's holding tube. You can lift it up, take out the stock air filter. Then we'll put in this K&M high flow air filter. Push back the 4 clips. Push back the rubber grommet inside the hole. That's it. And to install the air scoop, you have to take out this rubber seal on the hood. So we need to take out all the screws here on top of the bumper with the T30 Torx bit screwdriver. Then after that, we need to pull up the top of the bumper so we can squeeze our hand inside so we can unclip the kidney grill. So one hand needs to be pulling it out and the other one needs to squeeze in the tabs inside until you take out the grill. So we have to take out the mesh grill on the intake opening. And just have to slide in the intake scoop. Make sure the outer lip of the rubber opening should go inside the intake scoop to hold it in place. And put back the mesh grill. Put everything back. Put back the rubber seal. Now it's time to do our next run. 60. More traction. 0 to 60. So I'm still losing traction, so the best I can do out of the 3 runs is 5.22. I would say this is a nice improvement from the 5.6. So it's almost 0.4 seconds faster. I would say this is still the best bang for the buck because for less than $200 you can shave off almost 0.4 seconds out of your 0 to 60 runs. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.